and action. All right, guys. We are streaming from the new vehicle that we got from Carvana. And it's a 2016 Nissan Rogue. It's really cute. This is the car that we wanted. But it didn't have all the features. We wanted leather seats. We wanted, what else? Navigation.
Well, the description didn't match.
No, but it was just some things that we wanted. And so, but when the car got there, when the car got to us, it didn't have any of those qualities or any of those things that we initially had bought the car because it had. So again, we are riding in this car. It's a 2016 Nissan Rogue, and everything is great. We like the car. It's just not our car. So they did, but I will say this, and I feel some kind of way because they played us. When she came out and gave us this car, and even though it didn't have any of the features, which are like, you know, top of the line features, she offered us a $100 gift certificate if we would keep this car. And I really had to laugh as if that $100 is worth us saying, okay, we won't take the navigation, we won't take the heated seats. I mean, like, really.
Yeah, all the stuff we want, we don't want. We want the money more.
Right.
Yeah.
So it's like if you're giving us a $5,000 gift certificate on it, then yeah, we'll take that. But $100 is a far cry from the features we would have been given up to stay in this car. But so far, so good. Now, next note, we are on our way to the Dollar Tree because we want to see if we can recreate this recipe. And I know you guys have probably seen me release the banana pudding popcorn. Babe, get my glasses because I'm really having a hard time seeing right now. Lord. Hold the steering wheel, hold the steering wheel. Okay. Now, that's old school in case y'all didn't know that. Now listen, we're going to recreate this recipe. Oh, somebody tore that car up. We're going to recreate this recipe from the Dollar Tree. So we're going to get everything that we need from the Dollar Tree, if they have it. Yeah. So, yeah, stay tuned. See how this turns out. And again, this is for my banana pudding popcorn. And I'm going to also do the recipe and post it up for you guys. So stay tuned. And if you want to catch that recipe coming up, please like, comment, and subscribe. I think I'm supposed to say that at the end of the videos. Is that what the young people say? Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe.
Yeah, like,
comment.
Like, share, to subscribe. And these days, talk your shit too.
Well, y'all doing this wrong.
We doing it wrong, Booger. What we supposed to say?
Supposed to say it at the end. Oh my God! Wait till the end.
Oh,
well, we was kind of wrapping up.
Oh my God! This is so confusing.
Oh, look. Oh.
It is confusing. I'm confused right now.
Okay, so yeah, that's it. So I will pick up again once I am inside the Dollar Tree to kind of see if we can find everything.
Yep.
Peace, love, hair grease.
Like, subscribe, share, comment.
Like, subscribe, share.
That was
Bye, Booger. Say bye, y'all.
Bye.